Rice cooker chicken stew. Here's how to make it. Onion, in. Mushroom, in. Carrot, in. Potato, in. Done. Next, pour the water in the pot. Then kombu, flour, in. Salt, pepper, garlic, in. Mix. Done. Next, cut chicken into bite size. Then add salt and pepper and bit of sake. Then straight in, butter, on, rice cooker, go. Okay, now we make the roux. Milk, cornstarch, mix, clean wrap, cover, poke, microwave, warm. Okay, mix every 30 seconds and warm until hot. Once it's hot, it should be smooth consistency, like this. Okay, once it's cooked, remove kombu. Then pour the roux and hint of soy sauce, which gives extra umami, and that's the